Bonjour les amis, this is Llyane Stanfield and you are watching French Valentine with Llyane. Between February the 1st and the 14th, I am going to do videos every single day for you to learn about Valentine's etiquette, traditions, as well as expressions that you may want to say if you want to woo your Valentine in the city of love. If you want to have access to unlimited access to these videos, please reach out to the link in the description of this video, and we will connect and I'll give you access to those videos. So today I would like to talk about, and every single day it's going to be where to go, a little bit about the place, and what to say. And of course, I'm going to give you explanation on the pronunciation, which I know that most of you really love to hear and to learn. So today, I'm going to tell you about Le Mur des Je t'aime. Le Mur des Je t'aime is in Place des Abbesses in Montmartre. And it has been created by Frédéric Baron et Claire Quitou. Le Mur des Je t'aime is it's a wall. It looks like a blackboard, and the expression "I love you" is written in 250 languages. And I'm going to give you, let me actually show you this. I'm going to write under the video you're going to see and enjoy it. Take the address, take the place, and see if you want to go with your Valentine and woo her. And of course, the expression, what to say. So where to go, this is the first thing that it came to my mind. I really love that place. And what to say, of course, we're going to start with Je t'aime. Je t'aime is an expression that everybody knows, and it is hard to mispronounce it because it is used so much, and so you may have been already used to pronouncing it. But learning it just directly the way you hear it, because you hear it so much, you may obviously say it correctly. And then finding out why are you pronouncing it this way so that you can pronounce other expressions in the same context, right, with the correct pronunciation, then that would be the art of becoming bilingual. So Je t'aime, the rules of pronunciation that you can find here, the final E in je is pronounced E because it doesn't have an accent. T'aime, the apostrophe replaces the E from te, which means you, and that appears because E and A are both vowels, and just to make the speech a little smoother, we just put them together. If you are a very beginner, this is going to be new to you. If you're not, this is going to be kind of old news. But I'm trying to cater to the people who need the most the pronunciation, these explanations. AI is a rule of pronunciation in French. It's pronounced E, like in the English word egg. And M, the E at the end also can be pronounced if you really enunciate it. And if you don't, you can say t'aime. You still have to open the mouth on it. French really like to enunciate their language. Sure, there are categories of people who don't, but it doesn't mean that you shouldn't give yourself the option of either speaking it enunciated or speaking it more like compact. So give yourself that option and you're going to be fine. So I wish you a great, enjoy yourself with these expressions and these places. Go look them up, Google them, and see, what you can do, where you can go, when you can go. And I hope that you're going to plan a trip to Paris for Valentine's Day. Stay on your game and keep going for your dreams to become bilingual. Please share this video for those of your friends who you think they need this information, and I will see you tomorrow. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.